Hey everyone, today I'm going to be tasting the new Ruby chocolate. Oh my gosh, my cat is just on my lap. Ugh. Come here. It's that pink chocolate. I don't know if you've heard of it, but it's the new chocolate they've invented. And it is actually pink. They don't colour it pink. It's pink when they make it. So here's the packet. I got it in Tesco the other day and I actually forgot that I bought them, and then I found them in my pocket, which was a nice surprise. I've never actually had it. I don't know if they make bars of it, but Tesco apparently is the only place that sells this Ruby pink chocolate KitKat. So I'm gonna open it up and we'll do a taste test. It's very pink. So here's the bar. Let's do the smell test. And it smells kind of fruity. Just break a bit off. It's really weird. I didn't really know what to expect, but I don't really know how to describe it. Let me have another bite. I think the more you eat, the more it grows on you. I can't remember the last time I tasted like a new thing of anything. It tastes like a bit like white chocolate, but not as sweet. I'm not sure if this was in bar form. I'm not sure I'd be able to eat a lot of it because I can imagine it'd be quite sickly. Okay, my boyfriend wanted me to save him some, so I'm gonna save the last stick for him. Overall, it's quite nice. I don't think it would be my first choice as a chocolate bar. I prefer the normal KitKat, but I'm not a big fan of white chocolate, so I guess that's why. Anyway, and I got my hair done the other day. What do you guys think? At first I didn't like it, but a couple of days later I did, and now I think it looks really nice. Anyway, thanks for watching guys. Let me know if you've ever tried the Ruby chocolate or if you've had the KitKat or anything. And if you enjoyed the video, please leave a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.